All right, good morning and welcome to Master Talker online class. This is the continuation of our video on circle geometry. Okay, we have this question, and they say that that we should find angle R PTR, angle PTR PTR. That is this place. Find PTR and equally find RP. RS. Okay, we need to find PTR and PRS. PRS is all these angles. That is where they say we should find. Okay, solution very simple. Now we need to note that this small angle, that is angle PRT, is equal to 33 degrees. What is my reason? Angle on the same segment. Whenever you have a chord like this and they cut like this, and anywhere they touch the circumference, they are equal. So it's called angles on the same segment. Okay. So now the next one we need to know is that that all this angle is 90 degrees. Why? Because it is angle on a semicircle. Okay. Whenever you have a circle like this and you have a diameter, anywhere they met on is called what? Angle on a semicircle. I hope you know that here is equally 90 again, angle on a semicircle. From the two edges of the diameter, anywhere they met is angle on a semicircle. Okay. So so let's continue. We have that we need to know that here and here are the same because they are radii. So we can tell them that line TO is equal to what? Line SO. And my reason is that what? They are radii, two radius. And if they are radii, automatically angle OTS, this small place, is equal to angle angle OST, this small place. And my reason is what? And let's say that they are equal to X, for instance. Let them be equal to X. Okay. And my reason is what? So base angle of isosceles triangle. Yes. My reason is base angles of isosceles triangle. So what do we have now? To get them now, I'm going to say that angle OTS plus angle OST plus 76 is equal to 180 degrees. What's my reason? Sum of angle in that triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle. Okay, so we have that this one is x plus 76 is equal to 180. So 2x is equal to what? 180 minus 76. So 2x is equal to 180 minus 76. I'm having 104. So 104. Therefore, my x is equal to 104 divided by 2. I'm going to have 52. So 52. So here is 52 and here is 52. Okay. Now, to get this small place that I'm looking for, to get this one now, we know that this place is 90. You should know that angle RST, this big one is equal to 90 degrees. What is my reason? Angle in a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle. Okay. So if we have that, to get this small place now, you know that angle TRS, okay, this TRS plus angle RST plus this small one now, angle plus this one I got as 52, that is STR, or okay, angle STR is equal to 180. What is my reason? Sum of angle in a triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle. Okay. So now this one, angle TRS, is what I'm looking for. TRS plus this one I got as 90 plus this one is the x, which is what? 52, is equal to 180 degrees. So therefore, angle TRS is equal to 180 minus 90 minus 52. So angle TRS is equal to, so I have 38 degrees. So the place I'm looking for now, they say I should find angle PRS. PRS. Okay, angle PRS is equal to combination of these two. That is the angle PRT, angle PRT plus angle TRS. So what do we have? We have 33 plus 38. So what do we have now? So 71 degrees. 71 degrees. Okay. So we have gotten I. So remaining I. How do we get I now? They say we should find angle. Which angle did they say we should find? This small place. Okay. To find that small place, what do we do? Right? Okay. All right. So we know that angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. Yes. So angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. So we're going to have that now. Okay, this one is facing up, and this one at the center facing up, twice angle at the circumference. How do we get here? Angle PTR. Angle PTR. Okay, angle PTR is getting all this place. Angle PTR. Okay, to get here is very simple now. So what do we do to get the PTR? We have gotten here already. We have gotten here to be 33. So, and here is 90. So we are going to tell them that angle RPT is equal to 90 degrees. What is my reason? Sum of angles in, angle in a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle. Okay, so if here is now 90, to get this place is not difficult. So we're going to say that what angle PTR that I'm looking for plus that 90 plus the 33, okay, is equal to 180. Sum of angle in that triangle. Sum of angles in triangle. Let me just name the triangle. In triangle PTR. Okay, so what do we have now? The angle PTR is equal to what? 180 minus 90 minus 33. So we are going to have 90 minus 33. So 57 degrees. 57 degrees. So that is that. Very simple. The first one is 57, while the second one is 71 degrees. Okay. So the next question. You know, all these things are technical. You need to just calm down and reason how to get your result. Question number 2. Question number 2 said they gave us a circle, okay, and they said that this is the center of the circle, making 2 radii, and this one goes this way, this one come here, and they said that here is 86. Okay, they said that here is x. Okay, they said that here is P, S, R, and Q. Okay, now they say find x. Now this is center O. Now don't forget that if here they are facing the same side, you remember that angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. So we can say that that angle POR is equal to what? 2 times angle PSR. So this is x that I'm looking for is equal to 2 times 86. So which is what? 172 degrees. Very, very simple. Okay. Don't forget that your reason is what? Angle at the center. Angle at the center is twice angle at OCCE, circumference. Okay. So question number 3. Question number 3. Question number 3 said that we have a circle, you know, all the one I'm going to be solving in this video will not have a tangent. Then in the next video, we'll not talk about the ones that has tangent. Okay, so let's just be solving the ones without tangent. So they said that here is 8x and here is I am center O. Okay, and they said that here is x, and they say we should find angle, find PRS, and they say that here is PRST. Okay, so for us to get our PRS, is very, very simple. Okay, what do we do? PRS. Okay, first of all, we know that angle PRS is equal to what? Angle at the center, they are facing the center side. Angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. So 2 angle, the one in the circumference is equal to the one in the center, 8x. Okay, so what do we have now? Angle PRS is equal to what? 8x divided by 2, which is equal to what? 4x. Don't forget the reason. You must write it. The reason is what? Angle at the center is twice angle at OCCE. OCCE is called the circumference. Okay, so that is that. We have gotten that PRS is 4x. Okay, now the next thing we need to get, because there's no 4x in the option here, the next thing we need to get is that, do you remember that if you add these two places, it will give you 1/8? Very, very important. You will tell them that angle PRS, okay, plus plus what? Plus angle PTS is equal to 1/8. What is my reason? My reason is sum of, in fact, opposite angle of a cyclic chord, sum of the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, so that is that. So what do we have now? PRS, I've gotten it as 4x plus this one is gotten as x, is equal to 180. So therefore 5x is equal to 180. So therefore, to get my x, I'll have that x is equal to 180 divided by 5. So x is equal to what? 36. But I'm not looking for x, I'm looking for angle PRS, and angle PRS is 4x, which is what? 4 times 36, and 4 times 36 will give you 144 degrees. As simple as that. Okay, right? So question number 4. Question number 4 said they gave us a circle, okay, and a straight line like this, and another straight line like this. They said that here is parallel to here, okay, and this that here is center O, and then we now have that from the center to this place radius. We now have from here to here and then to here. Okay, so they now say that here is x, y, z, w. Okay, so we now have that here is 50. Okay, so they now say find angle WYZ and angle YEZ. WYZ. So we need to find this place. Okay, so which other place they say we should find? YEZ. Where is the E? Okay, they said that this point is E, so YEZ is here. So we need to find these two places. Okay, very, very simple. So what do we do? Right now we should note that okay, we should know that angle, first of all, angle WYX, this place is equal to 90 degrees. And what is my reason? Angle in a semicircle. Angle in a semicircle. Okay, because when you have a diameter like this, anywhere they met on the circumference is 90. Okay, I've gotten here to be 90. If I've gotten here to be 90, to get here is very simple. So I can tell them that what? Angle X, W, Y plus that 90 plus the 50 is equal to 180. What's my reason? Sum of angles in triangle X, Y, W. Okay, so what do we have now? So angle X, W, Y is now equal to 180 minus 90 minus 50, which is equal to what? 40 degrees. I've gotten here to be 40 degrees. Okay, if here is 40, and this line is parallel to this line, it shows that if here is 40, automatically here is 40. If you have a parallel line that forms Z like this, here is parallel to here, here is equal to here, and it is called alternate angle. So we can say that angle WYZ is equal to 40 degrees. What's my reason? Alternate angle, alternate angles. Okay, so alternate angles are equal. So we have gotten here to be 40. If I've gotten here to be 40, how do we get this point now? Okay, how do we get that point? All right, so the problem is how to get here now. To get this point, what do we do? Okay, we know that that angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. Can we use that? WOZ. WOZ. Okay. Can we get here? How do we get here? That's what I'm thinking. To get this place is okay. From these two places now, yes, they are facing up, and this is angle in the circumference. This is angle at the center. So we can say that angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. Yes, very, very important. So angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. So we say that what? Okay, so we say that what? Angle WOZ is equal to 2 angle WYZ. What is my reason? Angle at the center is twice angle at OCCE. Okay, so we now have that what? Angle WO Z is equal to 2 times 40, which is equal to what? 80 degrees. So we have gotten here to be 80 degrees. Now, to get this place now is very, very simple. We can either say that that here is alternate to here, which will not help us to get here, or we'll get here and say that here is vertically opposite to this place. So anyone you like is very okay. So let me get this one now. I can say that what? Angle OEW. OEW, this one plus 80 plus 40 is equal to 180 degrees. What is my reason? Sum of angles in triangle OWE. Okay, so what do we have now? Angle OEW is equal to what? 180 minus 80 minus 40, which is 60 degrees. So if we got there at 60 degrees, automatically we will tell them that what? Angle YEZ that we are looking for is equal to angle OEW. What is my reason? Vertically opposite angles. Okay, so therefore angle YEZ is equal to what? 60 degrees. Okay, so that is that. You calm down to reason what to do before you do it. So the next question goes this way. They gave us a circle, okay, and they say that something like this one moved like this, and this is the center O. Okay, and they say that here is 120, not at the center. So here now this one comes this way, and here is M. Okay, and this one came this way, and here is 30. All right, very simple. And they say we should find M. Okay, and they say that this is Y, Z, W, and x. Okay, this is one of the simplest questions you can ever get, because we can get here. In fact, we can get here. Let us get here. We tell them that what? Angle x z y, x z y, which is this place, is equal to what? 30 degrees. What is my reason? Angle on the same segment. Angles on the same segment. Okay, so if here is 30 and here is 30, do you know that what? That m plus 30 is equal to 120 degrees. It is called, if you have a triangle like this that is extended like this, this plus this is equal to outside there, it is called sum of two interior opposite angle is equal to one exterior. So sum of two opposite interior angle equals one exterior. That is because I want to solve it gradually. But if not, someone can decide to do angle on a straight line to get here first. From getting here, then sum of angle in a triangle, the person can get here. Any of the two can give you the same answer as well. So therefore, my M is simply 120 minus 30. So my M is equal to what? 90 degrees. So my M, okay, sorry, they say that is 102. 102, not 120. So 102. So I have 102. So 102 minus 30. 102 minus 30. 72 degrees. Correct. All right. So that is that. The next question. So the next question here said they gave us a triangle like this. They gave us a line like this and another one at the center O. Okay. And they said that this one came this way, and they gave us that here is 140 degrees. They said that this is P, Q, and they said that this is parallel to this S, R, M, and N. Okay, they say we should find angle POM. Angle POM. So which is this place? That is what they say we should find. All right. To find there is very, very simple. We can get here. So how do we get here now? Even we can even get these two places. But let's get here. Getting here, we say that angle ONM is equal to what? Sorry, plus 140 is equal to 180 degrees. What is my reason? Sum of angle on a straight line. Sum of angles on a straight line. On a straight line. Okay, so if I have this, therefore angle ONM is equal to 180 minus 140, which is 40 degrees. So here is 40. Now, do you know that line OM is equal to line ON radius? So they are both radius. So in plural, you call it radii. So if they are radii, the base angle must be equal. I will tell them that angle OMN is equal to what? Angle ONM. And this is 40 degrees. My reason is what? Base angles of isosceles triangle. Okay, so since you have gotten here to be 40, do you know that here is 40? Angle POM I'm looking for must be equal to angle OMN. And my reason is what? They form Z, alternate angles. Alternate angles. Okay, the alternate angle here, they must tell you that here is parallel to here before you say that they form the Z. Okay, so here must be equal to here. So that is that. So therefore angle POM is equal to what? 40 degrees. As simple as that. All right. So the next question, they gave me a circle. 80, B 120, A E D C B. Okay, so they say find A and B. Okay, finding B is very, very simple. You can tell them that what that B plus 120 is equal to 180 degrees. What's my reason? Sum of two opposite angles of a cyclic chord. Okay, so therefore my B is equal to what? 180 minus 120. So B is equal to what? 60 degrees. So if I've gotten my B to be 60 degrees, to get my A is no longer a problem. But how do we get A? We can get A now. So we'll tell them that we can get here. Yes. Okay. So to get there, we can tell them that what? That angle ABE, angle ABE is equal to what? 80 degrees. What is my reason? Is either you say you can get here by saying opposite angle of a cyclic chord before you get here using angle on a straight line. But I want to get it straight, and it is called opposite interior angle of a cyclic chord is equal to the exterior angle. So opposite interior angle of a cyclic chord equals the exterior angle. Okay, so if I've gotten here to be 80, now to get A is very simple. We can tell them that that A plus 80 is equal to 120. Do you remember the formula? If you have a triangle like this that extended this way, if you add these two places, is equal to here. Yes, so these two triangles extended here. So if I add this side, I'm not interested in the one that is close to that place. So if I add this side, is equal to here. It is called the sum of two opposite interior angle equals one exterior. Sum of two opposite interior angle equals one exterior. Okay, so what do we have now? Therefore my A is equal to 120 minus 80. So my A is equal to 40 degrees, right? Yes, 40 degrees. Okay, or another person can choose to get here by saying angle on a straight line. You get here, then sum of angle in a triangle can help you to get the A. So I've gotten my A and B. Very simple. We keep moving. So the next question said we have a triangle, a circle like this, and we have the center of the circle O. We have a triangle that is even outside it. Wow. Okay, we have that this one moved this way to this point. Okay, giving us that here is 20. All right, and here is T, here is S, R, Q, P. Okay, they say find OQR. So we need to find here. All right, to find this place is very simple, but they told us that in this triangle that I don't like writing the question, but they said that in this triangle, in the diagram, that line OQ is equal to line OR. Okay, so OQ is equal to OR. So let me mark them. So this place, they are equal. So this is very simple. Now we will tell them that what, to get this place now, angle POS is equal to what? 2 times 20. They are facing up. It is called angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. Angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. All right. So what do we have now? Angle POS, not the normal POS, is 40 degrees. So if here is 40 degrees, we now have that since these two lines are equal, it shows that the base angles are equal, and it is called the base angle of isosceles triangle. Don't forget. Okay, so we now have that. So we can tell them that angle OQR is equal to angle uh, ORQ. Okay, and my reason is what? The base angles of what? Isosceles triangle. So if we have this, we'll now tell them that angle OQR plus angle ORQ plus the angle POS is equal to 180 degrees. What is my reason? Sum of angle in a triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle. Okay. So since these two people are equal, I can use this to replace this, or use this to replace anyone you like, since they are equal. So I can say that 2 angle OQR, okay, is now plus POS. We got POS as 40 is equal to 180. So therefore, 2 angle OQR is equal to 180 minus 40. So 2 angle OQR is equal to 140 degrees. So angle OQR is equal to what? 140 divided by 2, which is what? 70 degrees. So that is that. Very, very simple. Right? The next question, we keep moving. Right? The next question they gave me right, they gave me a circle like this. They gave me this point that came like this and moved like this, and here is the center O, and again moved like this. Right? So I have that here is P, S, R, Q, and T, and they say that only this small place is 70 what? Is 15 degrees. Okay, and this small place is what? 32 degrees. And they say we should find find angle QPR and angle TQO. Okay, QPR, QPR. We need to find this place. All right. Okay. Getting there is very, very simple now. Getting there is very, very simple, because we know that here is equal to here. They are radii. So we tell them that line QO is equal to line RO. So my reason is radii. And if they are equal, their base angle must be equal. So we tell them that angle OQR is equal to angle ORQ. And what is my reason? Base angles of isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. Okay. So if that is the case, we will now tell them that so they are both 32, which is equal to 32 degrees. Okay. So we'll now tell them that what? Angle QOR plus 32 plus another 32 is equal to 180. What is my reason? Sum of angles in triangle QOR. Okay, so we now have that angle QOR is equal to 180 minus 64, which is equal to 180 minus 64. We have 116. 116. Okay, so if I've gotten here to be 116, to get the angle in the circumference is very, very simple. So we'll now tell them that what? Angle QRPR, 2 angle QPR is equal to angle QOR. What is my reason? Angle at the center is twice angle at OCCE, circumference. Okay, so what do we have now? We now have that what? 2 times 1 sorry, the one in the center. So 2 angle QPR is equal to 116. So angle QPR is equal to what? 116 divided by 2. So angle QPR is equal to So 58. So that is that. So they now say we should find TQO. TQO. So I need to join this place so I can get the TQO. So I need all this angle. Wow. Right? TQO. All right. So how do we get that now? All right. We know that if here is 15, automatically here must be 15. So why? Because whenever you have a circle like this and a chord, if they cross like this, anywhere they met must be equal. So we'll tell them that what? That angle QRT is equal to 15 degrees. What is my reason? Angle on the same segment. On the same segment. Okay? Angle on the same segment. So if you have that place is 15, so how is it going to help us to get where we are looking for now? All right, are we having any cyclic chord? Okay, we're having a cyclic chord, but how do we make use of it? So here is 50. We've gotten here to be what? 50 what? 58. And if here is 58, here must be 58. Yes. Because look at that. Here is 58. Yes. Because I have this. This is the chord, and this one moves this way, and this one came like this and like this. So here must be equal to here. So we tell them that what? Angle angle QTR is equal to what? 58 degrees. My reason is same reason with the other one. Same reason. Same reason. Okay, and what's that same reason? Angle on the same segment. Okay, if they are now on the same segment, how do we now get to get this place now is now very simple. So we'll now tell them that what 58 plus 15 plus 32 plus that one I'm looking for, angle TQO, is equal to 180 degrees. What is my reason? Sum of angles in triangle TQP TQR. Okay, so that is my reason. So let us now get angle TQO is equal to what? 180 minus 58 minus 15 minus 32. So what do we have? Minus 180 plus 15 plus 32. So I have 75 degrees. Okay, 75 degrees. Very, very simple. Okay, so in this thing you have to calm down and think of what to do. If not, you will make mistake. All right, so please check my time for me. 38 minutes. Okay, and I still have more questions to solve. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. In our next video, we'll now talk about the ones that has tangents. Bye bye. Please subscribe and share to anyone that needs it.